Today we paid a visit to the other side of Awka towards Ekoka axis, St. Faith Church axis. That place is called Umwombu village. So we paid a visit for the very first time we are coming to this axis, and we are going to show you what we saw on ground concerning the environment and the road construction in particular. Yes, roads inside this village axis are under construction, and they are being handled by MP Infrastructure. MP Infrastructure is the company that is developing the Awka Millennium City estate. You know, they are into development of estates, and they are into construction as well. So they are the one handling this project that we are looking at. Well, we are going to move around to give you the whole details of what you need to know concerning this axis of road, and I bet you that so many roads are under construction here. Yes, like I said, we are going to look around this construction area at Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. Just down there is a Awka. Down there by the left is Awka. So now we are on 6th Avenue, Awka, Anambra State. So where we are going is this axis. We are going to divert right. You can see we've just entered this road. This is DK Park. DK Park. You may know about DK Park. Is a popular area close to Awka. So we are going to explore the axis from this side. Yes, viewers, I had wanted to make this video a time-lapse video. That is where the speed will be very fast. But personally, I don't like such videos. I like to watch videos the way it is naturally, so that I can capture and enjoy the video. That's for me. I don't know about you. So, but we are going to move around this axis. We are going to capture what is going on here, the things that you may not be aware of, and the things you may be aware of but you don't know it is like that. So in this video there is going to be surprises, what you don't expect. I'm going to show you all in details concerning this axis. Personally, I don't know that a good number of road projects are going on here, which is a very, very big welcome development. So let's move around and see what is going on here at Umwombu village in Awka, Anambra State, the state capital of Anambra State. Yes, we may not start calling the streets one by one, but we may try to capture some important landmark that you may use to recognize these places. So, but however, this is Umobo village in Awka. Yes, you may observe that so many fences, so many buildings were pulled down. Just you can make that observation. Some of the fences you are seeing were rebuilt. Some buildings, some part of it were cut off, to make way for a better road with a good and spacious drainage system. So, but I hope that the road will not be allowed to be taken over by sands, because I can see that vehicles are already plying some part of the road, signifying that it has been a long time that the construction work here has been going on. So, like I said, some fences, some buildings were pulled down to make way for this all-important road construction. But, at some intervals, we noticed the drainage are well constructed, as in well constructed and covered with slab, and walkway provided. But some were left open like that. Reasons I don't know why it's like that. So, but I know that some, like this one here, is well covered, and the coverage is used for the walkway. This is perfect and spacious walkway for the pedestrians. You can see all of these places we are covered well, a gutter underneath, while the top is used for the walkway. That is a very good way of constructing the road. Thumbs up for MP infrastructure. I know that this is the way they did it at Millennium Estate, Awka Millennium Estate, but not the exact way, but the construction pattern, using the gutters and covering it as walkway. That is exactly what they did at Awka Millennium City. So they are repeating it here, and that is a very good one. But I still don't know why they left some places open and covered some places. Or is it that they are still going to come over to that axis and cover them like this? Well, we are still moving around the Umobu village in Awka. Probably when next time we visit here, we will know the exact position. Well, let's keep moving around to explore this place. Thank you. Well, this place is a village, and as a village, is not properly planned. So they were building their houses as in some village patterns. So, but however, you can see that so many houses, so many shops were touched just to give this place a facelift. Then our people are not helping matters. They know that there is a road here, and in future government can decide to pave the road. and people still go ahead to build shops and little houses anyhow, taking some parts of the road. Well, we are still moving around Omo village in Awka. Yes, this axis of the road has so many link roads, so many that I might not be sure if I've covered them all, but at least we have covered the reasonable pattern of the road, the reasonable portion rather of the road in this video. So we are still moving around this area and we'll get to St. Faith axis. Well, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. We want to hear people's comments. We want to show you what is happening in Awka, Anambra State Capital. We want to give you current updates and keep you updated with the trend of events as usual, so you can be on the same page with what is happening. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Well, no doubt the new road construction is going to open up this place the more. You can see the signboard here, Umobu Village. Just to show you that we are at Umobu Village. decided to capture the signboard, a kind of landmark. So that is it. We are continuing with our movement. So like I was saying, this road construction on this axis, they are going to open up here for more development, and they are going to ease up the business activities along this axis of Awka. And I'm sure in no distance time we are going to start witnessing springing up of some big houses and hotels and other businesses along this place. So let's keep. Yes, when I think that the road is coming to an end is when the road have just started. So you can see this one goes to the other side and one goes to this side. So, but we are following this one to explore this axis. And good to let you know that majority of this road is almost done and dusted. So, but probably there are some places again that the work is still ongoing, but we are yet to meet those places. As from what I'm seeing on ground, what I can see and observe is that their cement work is more solid. Yeah, it's more solid. The cement work I'm seeing, I don't know about the stone base and the asphalt, but the cement work in terms of the drainage is more solid than some that we have seen in some places. The job is being done by MP Infrastructure, the ones on handling the AMC Awka. Well, I don't know. It doesn't seem like they are going to cover these places to provide a walkway. But still, I still don't know the rationale behind, providing walkway in some places and not providing walkway in some other places. Despite that, there are large, the width of this road is still okay. It's very okay to have the walkway, but I don't know why it's like that. Well, the company can explain better. Probably it doesn't seem like they are still going to add the walkway and cover the drainage. But this is an improvement from what it used to be. That is the major point to take home. But right now it's always better to handle any project once and for all, so that government will not think of coming back to that place in the next 30 to 50 years. That should be the target, and that should be the way out of poor infrastructure, especially road. Yes, this axis is still having just stone base. Probably some tar we are poured on it, waiting to receive asphalt. This axis is just stone base and the work is going on. So like we observe in some other videos, you can see if they don't cover the walkway, people will start providing planks and all sorts of dangerous items that will make the city very, very untidy and dirty. And the planks sometimes constitute injuries to people, moving around the axis. So that is one of the reasons, and is a safety reason for government to cover drainages, provide walkway on top, and ensure that the drainages are well cleaned from time to time. That is the way to go about it. If you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and please don't forget to share this video, share it, and let others be informed and see what is going on in the state capital of Anambra State, Awka. Yes, we are still moving around this Umowu axis to explore what is going on here. Like I said, by the time you think you have concluded, you are still seeing some other roads under construction. Yes, this road is the one that leads to St. Faith's Awka. Gradually, we are nearing the end of this video, but until we get to St. Faith Awka and 6th Avenue Awka, that is where we are going to call it a day. Yes, viewers, this is the entrance of St. Faith Awka Anglican Church Awka. Look at it, the entrance, and this is the road that connects the entrance to 6th Avenue Awka. So viewers, we have come to the end of this video. Until I come your way next time, I'm still Chinedu, your presenter, and I say bye for now.